Pour in Coca-Cola to vinegar. These two products together are amazing. The mixture of these ingredients is very useful. Start by taking a tall container and pour in 7 fluid ounces of Coke. Often, Coke doesn't taste great when it's been sitting for a while or when it's warm. So if you have leftover Coke to pour out, use it for this trick. Add 3½ fluid ounces of vinegar. The next important ingredient is salt. Add 2 small teaspoons to the mix. The salt will enhance the action of the vinegar and Coke. The liquid will bubble slightly, which is normal. Finally, add about 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Mix everything well until the salt dissolves. Now, take an empty plastic bottle and make a hole in the cap. Pour the mixture into the bottle using a funnel. This magic mixture is perfect for cleaning and scrubbing tough stains. It easily handles cleaning metal pots. Just pour the mixture directly into the pot and scrub with a sponge. Phosphoric acid and acetic acid have extraordinary cleaning properties. This homemade solution is just as effective as expensive chemical cleaners. Your pots and dishes will shine, and no stain will be a problem anymore.